Well. It's another episode of Generational Investors. And I am the one, the only Coach FL, your favorite coach. That's right. All right, if you're stopping by the channel for the first time, consider hitting that thumbs up, hitting the like, hitting the subscribe, and just continue to push out the message. The more you hit the thumbs up, the likes, and push out to those who are interested in stocks, crypto, investing in themselves, side hustles, real estate, this is the channel for you. All right, so just want to talk with you just briefly on these top tech stocks that I'm very heavily invested in, and the earnings this past week, whether they did good, whether they did bad. Hey, it's a little bit of both. I'm glad you tapped in. And so the first one I want to talk about is Google. All right, Google at the time supporting sit at $172. And the latest news for Google, the revenue grew 15% year over from last year. All right, they reported a blowout cloud revenue at 11.35 billion. That's right. Google definitely blew out the cloud. Cloud was the main catalyst that helped the company do well for the earnings. And we know that Google owns a lot of different things. From the Google search, you got the Google phones, you have YouTube, Google has subscriptions galore. All right, so the cloud was just the added catalyst, the added bonus that it needs. So with the cloud, it helps make the office, any type of office efficient. Okay, make the office work, administration work efficient. It is the catalyst that's going to propel actually Google to the next level, because Google, like all these stocks I'm gonna talk about today, invest in AI. So watch the cloud enhance Outlook 365 and help with all the different type of data that Google and those centers collect. It's going to help enhance it and make it more efficient, make it more accelerated for those who looking to get out all the different analysts and all the different analysis. And so I'm excited for Google. And just with what YouTube, as big as YouTube is, Google is continue to make so much money. All right, the phone by itself, that's just a caveat, but we know that people use Google search every day for for their news, how to look up stuff, how to research stuff. That's what people Google search as everything. All right, so I am very bullish on Google and look forward to continue to move up. All right, we're gonna move on to Microsoft. All right, times recorded is sitting at $410. This one, the revenue grew 16%, beat the physical first quarter, but the company's forecast called for slower growth than expected. So, in other words, demand continues to be higher than the available capacity. So with AI, like I've said, and I'll continue to keep saying, Microsoft is looking to be the leader of this space. All right, and so they have invested in so much resources to help push Microsoft to the next level. All right, so think of Microsoft Outlook, think of Microsoft Teams, think of the games. Okay, that's on my mind. All right, so with Xbox, that is just going to continue to enhance Microsoft. All right, so artificial intelligence, watch out for artificial intelligence when it comes to Microsoft. But the demand for it, that's the reason why it made the price kind of step back a little bit and kind of take a pullback. But I'm not tripping about it, because Microsoft is a banker at the end of the day. Microsoft is a long-term banker in my eyes. All right, remember, I'm not your financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell, but definitely Microsoft is a no-brainer. It's a winner in my space when it comes to investing in artificial intelligence. All right, so watch demand look to balance and meet the capacity that it is looking to push out, especially going into 2025. Okay, so I'm excited for Microsoft. We're gonna move on to Apple. All right, at the time of recording, it's sitting at $222. Now, Apple did a pullback because the iPhone revenue grew 6% in the first sign of iPhone 16. That was a good thing, but the company was looking that the sales didn't meet the expectations, so that's why I did a pullback. All right, so the company is definitely heavily invested into artificial intelligence by the way of Apple Intelligence. So iPhone 16 this past week, and about 2 weeks ago, they already pushed out Apple Intelligence on these iPhone 16s. They already had the chips that's being installed in these new iPads. Okay, all right, so that's a catalyst. That's a definitely got something good for Apple. But like I said, as we get into the holiday seasons, I am looking for Apple to continue to move up because of people who want to get the iPhone 16. All right, especially for Christmas present. All right, so definitely getting upgrades. That's going to help with the sale. So just keep your eye on Apple. We're gonna move on to, yes, you guessed it, because we are in the holiday season, Amazon. All right, Amazon sitting at $197, and its earnings beat driven by the growth in its cloud computing advertising business. Also, its integrated AI and e-commerce advertising and subscriptions. What can I say about Amazon? That is gonna go past $200. Yeah, I believe it's gonna go past $200. It's already at $197. So as we get into now official the holidays, getting closer to Christmas, everybody and their mom gonna be using Amazon Prime to get things shipped to their doorstep. Who wants to be waiting in line at these department stores, at these retail stores, at these tech stores, when there's so much craziness out here, when you can just get the package delivered to your front door, all right, without no hassle. All right, so that's a no-brainer right there. So definitely Amazon is going to continue to move up. I'm excited for Amazon. The e-commerce is only the beginning. And then, like I said, advertisement, Amazon Prime. Whoever would have known that Amazon Prime would be partnering with NFL? That's advertising. That's business. All right, business 101. So Amazon is definitely a one-stop shop. Nothing else left to say about Amazon. All right, moving on to, you already know how I feel about my favorite, Nvidia. All right, Nvidia is sitting at $135. All right, $135. And the latest for Nvidia is that Nvidia is replacing Intel on the Dow Jones, looking to occur November 8th to be exact. Shares climb up 170% so far just this year alone. All right, so as we wind this year down, definitely Nvidia is the next big thing that's gonna wake up the whole market. What can I say? I continue to keep buying Nvidia. This is my long-term, definitely my long-term outlook, my long-term big play maker. This I call the home run hitter. All right, the home run hitter, because this is the leader of artificial intelligence. All right, and then Microsoft will go behind Nvidia, but I definitely believe that Nvidia will be the leader, and then the Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google, all those. But definitely Nvidia. Keep buying it. The price, if you're looking, I would say at a price for those who want to get in for Nvidia, if you can get it at 132. Hey, that's a good price. I think anything below 135 is great. That's how I look at it if you're looking to get in. And then if you don't have the $130, start $20. start $50, okay, and just build up your shares. That's called fractional sharing. All right, so but definitely I'm excited for Nvidia because this one right here is my long-term banker that I'm gonna continue to keep holding on these next 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 years. All right, because we gonna make bank on this one. Like this, that millionaire making stock. All right, moving on to Tesla. All right, this one, another one, sitting at $248. And this is what Elon says. You know, he always saying crazy stuff, but he said that Musk's prediction for at least 20% vehicle growth going into next year. All right, so we're going to see what the future holds for Tesla. And I shared in previous episodes the taxi, the van. Okay, so they got a lot of things. Then not even mention like the robot. They got these robots that looking to push out. So continue to just keep buying Tesla because it has these price swings. It moves up $10, move down $10, move up $10, move down $10. And this one right here is just a long-term hold for me. Now, like I said, love it or hate them, this stock will make you money. All right, especially if you're looking to do it long-term. Now, if you want to trade it, you still can make money with Tesla, but I definitely want to bank with Tesla. And to round it out, we're gonna get into metal. All right, got a little pieces of metal. I'm gonna continue to keep buying pieces and pieces because this one's in at $567, and this one is really heavily invested to the AI space. It's expected capital expenditure to continue to grow into next year in 2025, using these AI strategies for business and for marketing strategies for Facebook, I should say, and aka Meta. So they are using that to help drive its business models using these AI strategies for Meta, and just all the people use the marketplace and things to sell, things to flip. So and then you got the glasses. What can I say? You know, Meta got the glasses with this AI type of outlook. The glasses they're actually pretty cool. I know they're very expensive, I would say, but you can use these glasses to start seeing things in an artificial intelligent lenses. All right, I think you can play music on them. You can these glasses are really futuristic. So they just did a prototype actually about a few weeks ago on that. So definitely watch Meta continue to move. All right, it's gonna move. But as we get close away from this important week, this is the week right here where we all been waiting for. I'm talking about any and everybody, because we talking about election. All right, so I'm not gonna get into politics, but like I said, whatever side you choose, whoever you decide to vote, just go out there and go vote. That's what I can say about that. And whether Harris, whether Trump win, we all win, because if you invest in yourself, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not worried about if it's her, if it's him. If you invest in yourself, at the end of the day, you're going to win. All right. No longer that you work so hard to make money at the end of the day. Now, and I'm going to continue repeating all next year, and God say the same the year after that, you have to invest in yourself. All right, work so hard, day after day, month after month, year after year, for the money. Now it's time for the money to work for you. Okay, the money to work for you. What other way than start investing in your goals, in your business, in your gift, in your talent, whatever that looks like. Start letting your money work for you, because if not, you're going to spend your whole life working for money. Social Security, who knows what that's going to be in the next few years. So now you have to start putting your money in places that's going to generate more money. So if you have enjoyed this episode, hit that thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, continue to share with family and friends, because if you thought this was a good episode, wait for my next one, because those who are looking to make extra income, the passive income, this one gonna be for you. See you in the next one.